Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Montego Bay. We are out by Success in Montego Bay. And this is where they are going to be building the largest hotel in Jamaica. I should say the tallest hotel. This is where Moon Palace Grand Montego Bay or Moon Palace the Grand Montego Bay is going to be built. This is going to be 1,200 rooms, luxury hotel suites, 1,200 luxury hotel suites, and it's going to have a 34-floor building. It's going to have other buildings that are between 10 and 15 floors, so it's going to be basically a complex. But the tallest building will be 33 floors, 33 or 34 floors, making it the tallest building in Jamaica. Currently, the Pinnacle at 28 floors, also in Montego Bay, is the tallest building. But out here, you're going to have a taller building than the Pinnacle. So they had a groundbreaking recently, and as you can see, they've put up the fence, and work is to start on this development sometime this year. So we're going to give you an update as to what is happening here. The construction of Moon Palace the Grand Montego Bay is a major tourism development taking place in Montego Bay in the parish of St. James. The resort is being developed by the Palace Company, an international hotel company known for operating large all-inclusive resorts in the Caribbean and Mexico. The project is located in the well-known Rose Hall Tourism Corridor along Jamaica's north coast. Construction of the resort began in 2025 after the official groundbreaking ceremony and clearing of the land. The development is designed to become one of the largest and most modern hotels in Jamaica. When completed, Moon Palace the Grand Montego Bay will include approximately 1,200 luxury hotel suites designed to accommodate visitors from around the world. One of the most notable features of the project is the construction of large hotel towers overlooking the Caribbean Sea. Plans for the resort include a main hotel tower of about 33 floors, which is expected to make it the tallest building in Jamaica. Additional resort buildings will have between 10 and 15 floors, creating a large multi-tower complex within the property. The design of the hotel includes a wide range of luxury facilities and amenities. The development will feature 13 restaurants and bars offering different types of international cuisine. There will also be large swimming pools, including an ocean view infinity pool, as well as a large spa and wellness center. Entertainment areas will include a water park, bowling alley, gaming areas, and family recreation facilities. Another distinctive feature planned for the resort is the construction of over-water bungalows built above the sea. These structures are designed to provide a unique luxury experience where guests can stay directly over the Caribbean waters. The resort will also include beach access and landscaped outdoor areas that connect the hotel towers with the coastline. In conclusion, the construction of Moon Palace the Grand Montego Bay represents a large-scale resort development in the Rose Hall area of Montego Bay, with a main tower rising about 33 floors, and additional mid-rise resort buildings and more than 1,200 luxury suites. The project will create a large modern resort complex along Jamaica's north coast. Alright guys, we will keep you guys updated on this development and all the other developments taking place on this corridor. Now, to the right of this development is where they're building the Unico Hotel, another luxury development. That one is only 451 rooms. Then beside the Unico, they're going to build a Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, which is going to be another massive building. Won't be as tall as 33 floors, but it's going to be over 20 floors. I'm not sure the exact size. And then beside the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, you have another luxury hotel. That one is built already. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.